what day it is. It's laundry day. We're loading her up. Then we're gonna go up the tower. Laundry room's pretty nice. They got a change machine, and then they got a little vending machine here with their laundry soap if you need it. Pretty clean. All right, Kurt and I are looking around the campground, and look at that, Luke. You could stay in a teepee if you wanted. Isn't that cool? All right, let's take a look at what's in one of these teepees in here. Let's see. Well, they've got a cot and a bed. Not too shabby. All right, this is the back side of the KOA. There's a little river coming through. Look at that red rock. It's sure red. Here's the teepee. And there she is. Devil's Tower. We're taking the trail. Look at that. How huge that is. Here's the info on it.